In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into n8n online. This is a quick and straightforward process, and by the end, you'll be comfortably inside your n8n workspace and ready to automate. I'll walk you through each click so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your preferred web browser. It can be any modern option you like, as long as it's up to date. In the address bar at the very top, type n8n.io, all lowercase, and press enter. Give the page a second to load. You should see the official n8n website with a clean, modern layout. If you want to make future logins even faster, this is a good moment to bookmark the page so it's only one click away next time. Now, look to the top right corner of the site. You'll see a sign in button. It can be easy to miss on a smaller screen, so if you're on a laptop or tablet, make sure you're at the top of the page and zoomed in at a comfortable level. Go ahead and click Sign In. You'll be taken to the sign-in screen. Here, you'll be asked for your n8n account name. This is the name you chose when you set up your n8n account or workspace. Type it exactly as you use it in n8n. Pay attention to any hyphens, numbers, or capitalization you might have included when you created it. If you keep your account details stored in a secure Notes app, this is a great time to double-check that you're entering the correct account name to avoid typos. Once you've entered your n8n account name, confirm to continue. That's it. n8n will sign you in and take you directly into your workspace. You should land on your dashboard where you can see your projects, workflows, or anything else you've been working on. If the page doesn't load as expected, a quick refresh usually does the trick. Also, make sure you started from the official n8n website by checking the address bar before signing in. Little details like that keep the process smooth and secure. And there you go. To recap in one line, open your browser and go to n8n.io. Click Sign In at the top right, enter your n8n account name, and you're in. Keep that bookmark handy for next time, and you'll be logging in just a couple of seconds. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, you're all set to move on to building, testing, and running your automations inside n8n.